Hi everyone, today I will introduce and explain the GLRM, a triple band frequency RTK receiver for a mobile device made here by us in Austria. GLRM is an ideal tool for tasks like surveying, stakeout, GIS mapping and georeferenced 3D scanning. GLRM receives correction data over BLE from a mobile device. It is both compatible with iOS and Android, and we are working with a variety of software developers for you to choose different options for apps they can use in fieldwork. It is magnetically attached to the phone, which is a proud solution. It's very compact and yet efficient. GLRM has a IMU and a triple band frequency helix antenna, which gives perfect tilt compensation and centimeter accurate precision. We get a fix with 2 to 5 seconds, and it can also charge your phone.